Okay, so now Niurka, our lead technician, has taken that piece of skin with follicle, and she has started to separate them into their units. Our hair grows in groups of 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. So she'll make quadrants in her dish. They are in saline water and over ice. That way they maintain healthy and alive. So when they're put back into the scalp, it'll keep producing hair for the rest of your life. So Niurka's going to grab one of each so you see what they look like a little bit closer. She's grabbing a 1 hair, a 2 hair, and then a big grouping. And there they are on top of her glove. You can see that with light. There they are. So the 1 hairs are the ones we transplant on the frontal hairline because that's the way we're born and it's what gives you a soft, natural look. And the 2s and 3s we use for density. Right behind the frontal hairline, we pack them. And we also even do a method called dense packing, where we'll put a 2 and a 2 in the same little slit, and it ends up giving you a better look of density than transplanting them each in their individual little slits. So that's what we call it, by separating the units into their natural state. And then one by one, the doctor will come back, he'll anesthetize my frontal, my crown, where they're going to be placed. He'll make the sites with little fine scalpels, and then the team of technicians will surround me, and they'll start transplanting the 1s in the front, and then the 2s, 3s, and 4s more in the middle and back area to give me the density that is needed. So that's the way it's done, and we'll check back with you soon again.